Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put the Canon AE1 to a review and my personal opinion regarding the Canon AE1 film camera, and let's find out if it's still worth to buy in 2024. So with the iconic design and legendary status, the Canon AE1 has been a favorite among photographers for decades. So again guys, before anything else, if you're into my channel, if you like photography, filmmaking, please subscribe to my channel so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So let's start now guys. Reason I love the camera is the look, the design, and the price, and the lenses. Of course, the lenses. Again, we have the Canon AE1 here. See, it's totally the aesthetic look of the camera is fantastic guys. If you can get for a good price, then actually it's now in the market, maybe you can find around $200 or less than $200 in the good condition. So I got this camera a year ago in the mint condition. So I used this on my trip to Philippines for my vacation, and I love the camera. I love the quality. With of course, I put also the Kodak Ultramax 400, and I'm gonna show you some sample photos using the camera and also the film. And yeah, again, the reason also is the lenses. So I have FD lenses, more also cheaper compared for another lenses. And again, FD lenses I can use also on my other camera. Like for example, I have Sony, or I have now the Samsung on this clip. This is shot by Samsung Samsung Galaxy NX with the Canon FD50 SSC 1.4 lens. And yeah, this is the quality of the lens with the camera guys. So I also use the FD lenses on some of my camera. Like I have also Pentax, and I have Fuji. Then attach also and soon I will have the Lumix GX85, and I will use the adapter with the FD lenses. I have also a 28 FD lens. I have 50, 85, and 135. So I have a great lenses for my Canon AE1, and yeah, it's very fun to use and exciting to use. The Canon AE1 is easy. It's more easy to use also compared for other film cameras. So this is my first. Actually, this is my second film camera. So I have also the AV1, and yeah, one day we will make a review for AD1, and I have a Pentax K1000. So, and guys, that's enough for today. I'm gonna show you now all my sample photos using this camera and film, Kodak film Ultramax 400. So guys, if you are a beginner like me, and if you want to learn and feel the film camera, the aesthetic look and design of the film camera, check this Canon AE1. So I think there's a lot in the use area that you can find on the market. If you want to learn film like me, if you want to test and check the Canon AE1. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to have any question, just comment down below. So, yan. I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.